Hi, my name is Edison Rodrigo, and I make anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 a month doing freelance digital marketing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what I do step by step on my computer. And even if you're a complete beginner, if you follow these steps, they will take you from zero to, at the very least, your very first commission. Are you excited? Let's go! So, if you're looking to become a freelance digital marketer or an affiliate marketer, which is essentially the same thing, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started in 3 easy steps. Step 1. The first part of digital marketing is to join an affiliate marketing network. This is where you can actually find the products you want to sell or link to and make commissions from. Step 2. You actually want to find a product to sell on the internet that you specifically resonate with. Step 3. Actually go out there and sell it. So if you're a serious action taker, I recommend you go through all the steps in this video and you can actually start earning your first commission right now if you just take these steps. Let's go to my PC and I'll show you what this actually looks like step by step so you can easily replicate.
So to get started, let's Google affiliate networks. You will see that a bunch of results will come up, and other than Amazon, you will see down here that we have ClickBank, eBay, Flex Offers, and a bunch of other options. And Amazon itself is actually easy to join, so let me show you. For this, you're going to go to Amazon.com, and then you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see a section here that says Make Money with Us. And there's various ways to make money on Amazon. You can sell products, you can sell on Amazon Business, but here we're going to focus on becoming an affiliate. So you're going to go ahead and click there. And definitely go through this sign up process. As you can see here, you can recommend products and earn commissions. And this is the Amazon's affiliate marketing program, where you can literally sign up, recommend products, and start earning 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So go ahead and click sign up. Now, when you go through the sign up process, you'll stumble upon this section that's going to ask you to provide a website. You don't have to worry, about creating a website or anything like that. Literally for this, if you have a Facebook profile, for example, which I'm sure you do, as most people do, or, a YouTube channel, or if you don't, you can definitely create a Facebook account for free and a YouTube account for free, or just any social media account. And then you can literally just put in the link here as your website. In my case, we're going to go ahead and put my Facebook handle. And we're going to go ahead and add this. Little error there, was forgetting the HTTP protocol. So I fixed this and was able to add my link.
Now, just a quick disclaimer here, completely honest and just being transparent with you here. On Amazon, you will not make good enough money to become a millionaire, right? Or even make a couple $1,000s a month. I'll just be straight up. And the reason for that is because Amazon allows up to 10% commissions. And a lot of the stuff that you can sell on Amazon is typically what's considered low ticket items. So for example, take this ebook by Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. These ebook, there's a few options, a few price points, but the highest price point would be the paperback option, which is around $15. So 10% of that is actually around $1.50. So really, these are very, very small commissions. Honestly, just not gonna become a millionaire selling 10% commission products. Now, my favorite affiliate marketplace is called Warrior Plus. And this is one of the networks I make the most money with, as you can sell high ticket products. The commissions can be high, such as 40 or even 50% commissions on products you can promote.
So this is Warrior Plus, and if we actually go to the marketplace, we can see here are the top sellers, and there's literally over 12,000 products that you can actually pick and choose from to promote. So literally lots of options to sell. So just go through a few products and find and pick something that actually resonates with you. Think of something you actually want to sell and that you can make a really nice profit margin off of. Focus on high commission uh, affiliate products.
For example, I actually sell business type opportunity products. But what I actually recommend for you, because it's beginner friendly and you can actually get your feet wet, to actually get started doing affiliate marketing on Amazon. Like I said before, you actually make more money selling on other platforms other than Amazon. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to use Amazon. Is that cool with you? Is that cool? Oh, okay, cool. Sorry, I couldn't hear you there.
Let's go ahead and go to Amazon.com. And once we're here, for sake of this example, we're going to actually promote this awesome book. Actually, if you do ever want to uh, buy a book about making money, about finance, about just giving you perspective on money. This is such a great book, right? Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I'm sure most of you have probably heard of it, by Robert Kiyosaki. Very famous author, entrepreneur. But anyways, let's say you actually wanted to be an affiliate marketer for this book. So you can see there's 4 price points here, right? For Kindle, audiobook, paperback, and mass market paperback. And depending on what the customer decides to get, you would actually make 10% commission off of that. And let's say you wanted to promote this product. So obviously once you have already signed up for the as an affiliate onto Amazon, you'll actually have this banner at the top called the Amazon Associates site stripe. And once you're actually on a product, you're going to click here where it says get link text. And what this will do is it will create this link. And this is actually your affiliate link. So you're going to highlight it and just copy this link. This is basically the link that I will use to make money when people actually buy this book. So the way this works is people click on this link and it tells Amazon that this link came from me, meaning I'm the one who referred the person who clicked on the link to actually make a purchase. And that's how Amazon knows that it was through me, right? And that's how they know how to pay me the commission, right? Versus a person actually going on Google and searching the item by themselves and buying it. Don't just tell them go to Google and buy it, because otherwise Amazon won't be able to tell that it was you, that it came from you.
So just a quick recap, we've completed step 1, which was to actually join an affiliate network. In this case, we've chosen Amazon.com. Step 2 was actually choosing a product that we're going to promote, which in this case was Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now we're going to head over to step 3, where I'm going to show you how you can go about promoting this product completely for free. If you're enjoying this video and you're finding it valuable so far, please do me a favor, give me a like, give me a comment, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so that you don't miss any videos. So there's actually 2 ways to get people to click your link. The first way is the free way, and the second way is the paid ads way. But for purposes of this video, and since this is a beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm only going to show you the free way. Now, do you actually communicate with someone digitally? My guess is yes. I'm sure you use text messages, emails, social media, right? So these are actually mediums or ways you can actually reach people and get them to actually click on your link. Now, let's say I'm going to recommend this book. The first place I could start is through email.
So to actually illustrate this, we're going to draft an email, and basically this is the free way, and this is how you would do it if you go about doing it in an email. So the first thing you're going to do is think of any friends or anyone you know that might be interested in what you're selling, right? Who your friends are, so you know what they like. Uh, for example, I have a couple of friends that are actually interested in they love reading books about finances and building wealth, making money and all of that. So I could think of a friend that is into that, for example, and I can actually promote or recommend, right, to this book, right, Rich Dad Poor Dad, to said friend. In this case, let's just say our friend's name is Nico here. So Nico at email.com. Obviously, I'm not going to use a real email address for purposes of protecting people's privacy, right? And in the subject line, we can say awesome finance book recommendation. And as an example, we can pretty much write something like this, right? At the end, you can say, check it out here. That link that we copied earlier, we're going to go ahead and take this link and actually paste it right here. And at the end, we can say something like regards, or however that's however up to you, however you write your emails, and you can put your name or your initials. And then you can just pretty much send this and you're good to go, right? Your friend will open this, they'll look at this email, and obviously if they trust you, and it's even better if they've asked you to recommend a book about money making or wealth building before, then they'll pretty much go ahead and click on the link and buy, especially since you're making a personal recommendation, right? And this is the important thing to remember here. Make sure that you actually, write these emails in a personal way, right? Just like how you would communicate to a friend, or just exactly how you communicate to that person. Make sure you don't sound salesy, or you don't sound like you're actually like an advertisement, right? Because if the moment you do, your friends are going to see right through, what you're trying to do, right? They're going to feel like, oh, he's just trying to sell me something. And, they won't even open your emails. They won't even click on your link or anything like that. Versus making it just more like a personal recommendation that, yo, hey, this is something I read. I loved it. It's cool. I think you'd like it too. Now, another way we can promote this is through social media. Just as a quick example, let's pick Facebook. And definitely use your personal Facebook, right? If you do have a business one, don't use your business Facebook, okay? So this method is definitely made to be personal, and so I definitely recommend that you use your personal Facebook instead to do this, and send it to your actual friends on Facebook. So just for sake of this example, let's pretend like this is a personal account. So we're going to go ahead and actually create a post, and you can say something like this. Go back here and get our link from Amazon and paste the link here. And then pretty much all you have to do at this point is just go ahead and click post. Make sure it's public, and this will go ahead and send it to all your friends, and it'll show up on their wall, right? Or on their news feed on Facebook. Now, that's pretty much it. And as I mentioned earlier, this is the free method, right? You're going the personal recommendation route. You're reaching out to a network, your own network, right? People you know. Now, you can use other methods to do this, but they actually cost money. And if you're actually interested into diving deeper into affiliate marketing, such as learning things like paid ads, copywriting, or even leverage the power of social media to bring a ton of quality leads completely for free, below this video, there's a link that you can check out under Get Started as a Freelance Digital Marketer to learn more. Now, that is affiliate marketing or freelance digital marketing in a nutshell.
Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any free tutorials or trainings on affiliate marketing. And if you found this video valuable, please make sure you give me a like and comment down below. Definitely recommend you try out this method I just went over and let me know how it goes. Let me know if you got your first commission and all of that. And also let me know in the comments as well, what would you like me to cover next on affiliate marketing? I post videos weekly here, so once you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next.